Today on Wildfired, we're out here rabbit hunting. We're going to do a rabbit salad for you. This is actually a long-standing tradition in East North Carolina.
We say rabbit salad?
Yeah.
Oh man, you can't beat them some saltine crackers. God almighty.
Well, that's what this whole video is going to be about. We're making rabbit salad.
Oh, you know how to make rabbit salad?
Brody's going to do it.
Brody?
Yeah.
Oh, hell. No. Good stuff. Green peppers, onions, celery seeds, just like you do a chicken salad. But make sure you get the pellets of it. That ain't pretty good eating a cracker up there. Hey.
Alright, well, y'all do some damage, alright?
Okay, man.
We are out here with a great group of guys. Stay tuned, let's go walk around, see if we can get a rabbit. What is that, what's the saying about the rabbit and the briar patch?
Oh yeah, you don't want to get thrown in the briar patch. Don't throw me in.
Look at this, we are in the briar patch. We'll keep pressing on through the briar patch. What's your favorite rabbit recipe?
Gravy.
Gravy? Rabbit gravy?
Yeah.
What about rabbit salad? Y'all ever make that?
I have had rabbit salad about once or twice.
Here, like all the stumps you see, there will be rabbit balls all on top of them.
So what the rabbits will do is they'll sit on these stumps and they'll use it as a perch, and so what you end up with is rabbit poop. This is rabbit poop. And that's what they do.
Calling the dogs to get them to a certain area to hunt the brush that's right around us. The dogs went a little bit in front of us, so we're trying to get them, call them back and hunt this brush that's right here around us. Once we get a rabbit up and going, you know, it's good to make a little bit of noise so everybody knows where everybody else is at. Go! As you're bouncing around, just try to step on any little brush pile you can, or, I mean, they hide up under almost nothing sometimes, so. You jump a rabbit, just try to call the dogs to you. Stand there and call the dogs until they get to the track.
And what do you say? Hi, hi, hi?
I mean, just however you want to make enough noise to get the dog.
Yeah, but what do you say? Do you say
well, there's a couple different things that a couple different noises I make. The dogs can kind of tell on the tone. And if I jump a rabbit, my tone is a lot more excited than it would be if I was just trying to get them to hunt an area.
Yeah.
But if I actually jump a rabbit, the dogs can almost tell that in the tone of my voice that I jumped a rabbit. Just over time, because that's the way we train them. Once you jump a rabbit, the dogs know if you start. So, fighting! Hi-ha! 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 Yeah,
It's like, this is what people used to do all the time back in the day, you know, our ancestry. I mean, people didn't have jobs, they would go out and forage. That's what we're doing today, we're foraging for rabbit.
Preston, call me Swing Man.
Swing Man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's your favorite rabbit recipe?
Oh man, fried rabbit and gravy. Fried rabbit and cake beef, homemade biscuits, and homemade mashed potatoes.
That seems to be the pretty common answer out here.
Well, I don't know. We've been experimenting on some stuff. Rabbit hamburger, grind it up like you do a dip. Make rabbit patties. Still look great.
Yeah.
We've got guns. We don't have to stab it with a stick.
I just like the sport.
Oh, got one up on you.
Got one down. Out in the skull, and never know what you're gonna find out in the woods. Could be anything, but sure is nice to be outdoors.
Look out, he just tossed y'all.
that's what we're after.
on a rabbit?
5.
5?
5 a day.
5 per person?
Mm-hmm.
You take them home, drop them off, and come back?
I guess some people do it.
Highly
My
illegal,
limit
by
is
the way.
trying to get 5. So.
You get that?
I think I did.
That rabbit.
Stuart!
You know, I sure do hate shooting something, but it's a lot better than buying it off the grocery store shelf, where it probably had a miserable life and suffered up until the very end. So, and it's always nice knowing that you can provide for yourself. This is what you were talking about? Yes.
Salt helps draw the blood out. Got our rabbit quarters in here. We're gonna put them in the boiling water and boil them until the meat falls off the bone. So, boiling water. I'm just gonna dump them in the pot. I like to put a little bit of salt in the water.
Please.
You always want to check for shot, make sure you didn't miss any.
Eating a cracker up there.
Don't want to eat any of that. Nobody likes cracking their tooth on a shot pellet. About a pound of it, pound and a half maybe. Put it in. I'd say tablespoon of candied jalapeno with the juice in it. Add it. Teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of pepper. Add all that. 4 boiled eggs, cut up fine. Gonna add it. You don't have to add 4, but I like eggs in it, so I usually add an extra. So that's 4 boiled eggs shredded. Half a cup of onion, half a cup of chopped celery, half a cup of green bell pepper cut up. Add that. Got a half a cup of sweet pickle cubes. Throw that in. And we got a cup of Duke's mayonnaise. Bind it all together.
Good to go.
Got the salad put together, and the mustard's optional. You can add it for taste if you like it. You can add a little bit. I wouldn't add a lot. Just add it and stir it in. Gives a little more bite.
Okay.
All right, so now since it's all put together, tastes delicious. We'll cover it and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour. So let all the flavors kind of mix together. Well, and then she's ready to eat. Now we're gonna fry some bacon up, toast a little bit of bread. We spread some butter on the bread. We're gonna toast it, fry this bacon up, spread some of our rabbit salad on the bread with the bacon and a little bit of lettuce and tomato, and got our meal. You can cook it. You can eat it any way you want. I just like to put it on a sandwich with some bacon. You can put it on crackers, and you can eat it by itself, however you prefer it. But this is the way I like to do it. Every year now, rabbit season is just as important to me as deer season or turkey season or any other season. It's a good excuse to get out in the woods with a bunch of good friends, and you don't have to be quiet when you're rabbit hunting necessarily. You can hang out with your buddies and shoot the bull and enjoy the camaraderie with all your friends, all the while killing rabbits to make delicious meals like this one we're making tonight with rabbit salad. What's the hardest part of rabbit hunting? I'd say it's the briars. You can tell my hands are pretty torn up. The briars get me, but pounding through the briars to get to the rabbit's the most difficult part of it, I'd say. Toasted bread, some of that delicious rabbit salad. We'll get it on there. Rabbit salad bacon, then top it with a piece of lettuce. Nice, generous piece of lettuce. Generous. There you go. Got the salad, rabbit salad sandwich with bacon, ready to go. Absolutely melt in your mouth. Delicious. East North Carolina style.
So this is what we waited for this whole time. I'll try it out. Oh my gosh. Brody, he cooked all this. And I just gotta say, will you move in with me, Brody? This is phenomenal. I highly recommend this. This is probably better than the last video we did, the chicken. My grandfather's chicken. This is my Brody's rabbit salad sandwich. Cheers, guys.
Yes, sir, we got this rabbit salad sandwich with them green peppers, them onions. Lord, I tell you, and a cold Pepsi. A rabbit salad sandwich and a cold Pepsi. Kick back and watch the ball game. I tell you, it don't get no better than this right here. Lord have mercy.
Catch me outside. How about that?